Most organizations believe they have a disaster recovery strategy. But here's the real question. Will it actually work when a cyber attack happens? Today's attackers don't just target production systems anymore. They target backup systems first. Ransomware groups now actively look for backup repositories, recovery environments, administrative credentials, and replication systems. The goal is simple: destroy recovery before the organization can respond. According to recent industry reports, ransomware attacks increased globally by more than 70% over the last year, and the cost of downtime continues to rise dramatically across every industry. Modern disaster recovery is no longer just about backups. It requires immutable storage, isolated recovery environments, continuous monitoring, fast recovery orchestration, and cyber-resilient infrastructure. At Tsunati, we help organizations build resilient infrastructure designed to recover faster, minimize downtime, and stay operational in an increasingly unpredictable threat landscape.